more upstairs. This will be the last video. So these are classic sunglasses. Inferno USA. How's it going, my friend?
How are you?
Good. How's the sunglass business?
Sunglass business is good.
Good. All right. Very nice.
As long as I can do that, sunglass business is all good.
Exactly.
Lifetime warranty, guys.
Nice.
A lot of polarized stuff. Durable. Lifetime warranty. InfernoUSA.com.
All right. There it is.
Boom. So this is the greatest safety sunglass goggle in the world. That's why we do that all day long.
All right.
You can actually bend them and shape them. They're made out of aluminum. Make them
Nice.
smaller, make them bigger.
Very
Make
nice.
them fit your face, your nose like a glove. Dual embedded spring-loaded hinges on the arm.
Nice.
Short temples that don't interfere with anything like your hat.
There it is, you guys. Inferno. See what this stuff is. Oh, it's like a put stuff on there. Homemade stuff. Very nice. So you can hang that. So you can hang your stuff, your fishing stuff on here. So toilet paper. That's hilarious. Yeah, all kinds of fun stuff. Anti-fog.
What's up, man? How you doing?
That's bad. What's this all about?
It's anti-fog
Oh, okay.
for glasses, goggles, helmet
Oh,
visor, fish house windows.
Nice. Blaze of anti-fog.
Yeah, man.
Beautiful. All right.
Yeah, if you have some glasses, we shine them up for you and show you.
Okay. I don't have any glasses with me.
Come back and see us with some.
All right.
Yeah,
No
oh,
problem.
wait. Did you have them done already?
No. Oh, okay.
So we'll go over here. So I don't have any glasses with me right now because I'm inside. So this will be the last video. St. Paul Ice Fishing Show. We're already into 2026, you guys. That's where we're at right here. 2025 Ice Fishing Winter Sports Show. Walk around here and see it here. All kinds of hats. Oh, got like free candy.
Hey, that's sounding like hotcakes.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Good. How's business?
I seen you down there videoing Maris from North End.
Right.
Not too long ago.
Very nice. Mm-hmm.
Good afternoon. Check some rods out? Sure. What do you usually fish for?
Mm-hmm. So, saw another that vlogger. Oh yeah, he's nice. These bad boys. A little cheap. They seem cheap, but line cutters. Yep. Mm-hmm. More lure stuff.
How are you?
How's it going, guys? What's happening?
Oh, this is the icefishingtable.com.
Oh wow,
The new
really?
invention doesn't exist. I've got a full patent on it.
Nice.
Made in the USA.
Nice.
You don't see that very often.
No, you don't. Not anymore.
Well, I designed this myself and had
Nice.
it engineered and produced.
Very nice.
This ice table, as you can see, you can put everything you want to go ice fishing with. You have your cell phone holder.
Right.
You've got your pliers.
Kind of like a jacket, kind of like, you
A
know?
little bit of a lures. You got the smaller lures. Rod holder. Place the accessory hook to hang whatever you want.
Perfect.
You got a place to strap down an ice screw if you need to. I never needed to.
Right, I
Usually
understand.
there's snow on the ice, it's never a big deal.
Nice.
But more importantly,
Yep.
is my back doesn't hurt because I'm not down here doing this.
Right.
I'm up here doing this.
Correct.
Take my feet off, get it off ice, my feet don't get cold.
Nice.
I'm fishing here. All my stuff that I want to use is here.
Very nice.
And it's small, so it fits in.
And it breaks down for you too as well.
It's very small, so it fits anywhere in one of these clams or otters or any kind of ice hut in
All
half,
right. Perfect.
and it's off the ground, and your back is straight. You're fishing.
Nice. All right.
Thanks, sir.
Appreciate it. All right. Low.
You gotta sell something.
All right, who's eating what here? Got some good old chicken?
Catfish.
Catfish feast, huh? Nice.
Yep.
Nice.
How you doing?
Good. So what do you guys got I love the free candy.
Yep. So we got a fishing tournament supporting the local fire department.
Cool.
It's year 5 for Catfish Fest.
Where's it held? Where it's Saco River chain?
Yep. Chain of Lakes up in Richmond, Minnesota, right outside of St. Paul.
Yeah. I got married in Randall, Minnesota.
Okay, you're not far away then. Yep.
Nice.
Bring your wheelhouse down for one of the most enjoyable weekends on the chain.
All right.
Makes winter a lot shorter. So.
I agree.
And the fight of a catfish through an
Any-
8-inch hole on ice is also enjoyable.
Anything with the men in blue, you know what I'm saying? Men, women. Very nice.
Take care. Have a great day.
Yep. So that's big fish. Magoli, Maloli. That bad boy. So you got a bunch of more stuff back in here. Big fish. What's this bad boy here? What is this one? Is this, can this be like an RV too as well?
Yeah, so we buy angler models and then we order it.
Right. Because this, to me, me and my uncle, we did a couple of station wagons. We drilled the holes in the station wagon and drive it out on the.
Yep, tuber.
Yeah, we did that before. So we drill a hole for the person, then they can just have bucket seats. They can turn around.
Yep, I have a Ranger. I put
Yeah,
a pole
same
right
thing,
in the
yeah.
passenger
So-
side.
One guy was scuba diving with his buddy one day. They found a truck in the middle of the lake. The guy went down. And his son knew who it was. It was his uncle had lost the pickup truck and went down years ago. And the guy's long gone. Never told where it went, but yeah, these would be good for RVs. I like, and these are more solidly than other RVs.
And very lightweight, yeah. Too.
I'd buy one of these for before I buy an RV.
Yeah. Honestly, the prices are getting pretty close together too.
Well, yeah, those are cheap. These things you can just feel how good they are.
Yeah, I just picked up an 8x24.
Right.
That is just a beast.
Yeah.
But yeah, it pulled like a champ.
All right, my friend. Thanks. Big fish encounters. That's there. Well, more stuff. So yeah, they have a lot of these here.
It might make sense, but
84 grand, huh? Jesus.
103.
Well, I was wrong. 103. Close enough. What's a couple bucks, right? And nice. I kind of like it. It's very nice. You can go fishing. 100,000. Better last forever. Unlike some of the RVs that are out these days, are cheap. When you get an RV park. There you go, Polaris, local company. This one is like a.
I have it.
Cass Lake Lodge over here. T-shirts. Headward Hat Company. Headwater, okay. A little beanie action. Minnesota Gold. Yeah, love it. More fishing gear. Fighting for good. What's up? A bunch of stuff over here. Got the four-wheelers over here. A whole bunch of this stuff. More stuff. All kinds of fun stuff. Never miss a bite. That's right.
Get one. Put it on your cup.
All right. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. Heat hog. At least there's no music. This is kind of cool. KFI products. Oh my goodness. Imagine that bad boy. Oh my goodness. All kinds of fun stuff. Cabela's. Yeah, they gotta be here. Get some candy, shall we? Let's get selfish.
Sounds good. We got your information. So
Get one of those. Those for Sue Ellen. She likes stuff. So they got question and answers over there. It looks like. Well, Wild Puck clothing. All right. Nice. How's business, my friend? How's it going? How's the Wild Puck clothing these days?
it's good.
Keeping busy?
Try to.
Making lots of money?
We're making moves. We're making moves.
All right, making moves. That's right. Nice. All right. Good show.
Check out the fuck up there.
What?
Yeah, don't miss the fuck.
Oh, the duck right there?
Yeah, the fuck.
Oh, nice. Oh, that wild buck. Yeah, clothing. There it is. There it is, you guys. There it is. I like that. Perfect. Bargain bin. Oh, they make hats for us too as well. CDL training.
Let me check and see how far it was.
So you can screen print right here. Looks like all kinds of fun stuff. Yep. Green cleats with any purchase. Heck yeah. So this pretty much ends the whole fiasco here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll go over here real quick. See what they have here for meat. Look at this behavior. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that beef jerky. All kinds of good stuff. Nice.
No.
Beef from my game, guys.
Outdoors. Dakota Sunset. How's the resort business these days?
Good.
Good. All right. Out in Devil's Lake. Is that one lake still rising? Is that the one lake?
Yeah, but it's now controlled.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah,
All right.
we have control of it.
All right. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed the little adventure. So we're gonna end it right here. So one more iron decoy. It's called right here. So anyways, guys. So, all right. See you guys all later.